Hi, everyone. Today I'm going to bring you the last two laws of wealth, or the laws that govern money. We've already covered 5 laws. If you want, we can go through them quickly. First law is the law of cause and effect. Here we learned that money is an effect. Don't make it the cause. Money is not the goal. Money is an effect. The goal is the good that you can do with the money, right? And money is the effect of value plus consciousness. We're talking about wealth, not about the kind of money that we make by using other people, or that we make in stress and out of a fear of lack that just comes in and goes, and we're always feeling like we don't have enough. No, these are the laws that govern money, that if you align yourself to, you will live a wealthy life in every aspect of life, okay? So the first law is the law of cause and effect. The second law is the law of vibration, which says that everything vibrates. Money is energy, and it will be attracted by a frequency of abundance and not a frequency of lack and scarcity. So if you want to attract money, bring yourself into a vibration of abundance first. Feel abundant already before your bank account reflects it. The third law is the law of compensation. And the law of compensation says that your income is in direct ratio to the need for what you do, your ability to do it, and the difficulty there is in replacing you. How do you apply this law to money? Well, improve your skills, serve more people, and become irreplaceable because you are unique. Fourth law is the law of receiving. You cannot receive what you're not willing to accept. If you resent money in any shape or form, if you believe that it will take you away from your path, from your spiritual path, or from your path of being a virtuous person, if you believe that money can corrupt you, and that so on and so forth, you cannot receive money. The truth about money is that it is an amplifier. If you are a good person, it will allow you to be better, to do more good. And yes, on the other hand, if you're a jerk, you become a bigger jerk, right? Money doesn't change you. It just makes you more of what you are. So you can't attract money that you secretly resent. Learn to receive with joy. Okay? Then there is the law of supply, is the fifth law. There is an infinite supply of everything. The universe is abundant. So why are so many people living in poverty and scarcity and lack? Why? Because of the way they think about money, because of a paradigm, because of habitual thoughts and habitual habits of thinking, feeling, and acting. A lot of these are just programmed into us by our environment when we're small and we don't know better. But scarcity is a paradigm because opportunities for wealth are endless. But you have to, again, move onto a frequency of abundance to recognize such opportunities and to feel confident to take them. Then we have the sixth law. The sixth law of wealth is the law of gratitude. What is this law? Gratitude is the vibration that keeps you connected to supply. How do you apply this to money? Well, daily gratitude. Daily gratitude raises your vibration and it magnetizes prosperity. So what does that mean in a real situation? That means that every time you purchase something, every time you exchange money for something to eat, to drink, to wear, the petrol in your car or bike, you acknowledge it and you feel grateful. You say, thank you, money. Thank you for this delicious cup of coffee and for coming back to me. Because you understand that money is energy, it circulates, it moves. It doesn't come from someone, it comes through someone. And it comes to you, and through you, it circulates again. And it's this beautiful circulation and exchange of value and energy and consciousness. Gratitude turns whatever you have into more than enough. And it's the simplest wealth building practice. When you feel like you have more than enough, you will attract more and more because you're on that frequency of feeling. A vibration, when we talk about the vibration of gratitude, it's not a thought, it's a feeling. You feel it in your heart center. So I'd like to take the opportunity and recommend this beautiful book called The Having. It's written by Sun Yun Lee and Ju Yun Hong. And it's a really, really good book on how to build your vibration of abundance, even if your bank account does not yet reflect it. I recommend that. Then you have the 7th law, the final law, and that is the law of increase. And this law says whatever you praise, bless, or appreciate will grow. Whatever you criticize, blame, and feel displeasure about will disappear. How do you apply this to money? When you speak well of others' success, when you expect good, when you see growth everywhere, when you celebrate every bit of money that comes to you, like it is $1 million, then you're activating the law of increase. So celebrate wealth. Celebrate every euro. Celebrate every euro. Celebrate every dollar that comes to you. Because by honoring increase in others and in yourself, you attract it. Okay? How many people do you know in the world that speak badly of other people's success? Oh, they must have done something wrong. Oh, they're so wealthy because they must have, done some dicey stuff. That's what people say. And the same people complain about not having enough money. Money is energy and will not come to you when you are repelling it with negativity. All right? I thank you very much for following me through these 7 laws of wealth and money. And I'm so looking forward to holding my workshop starting on Monday in Pitanga. We're going to go into these laws and into our paradigms and uncover layers of programming, of stories about money that we hold subconsciously. We're not aware of them. But if we are experiencing lack in our lives, then that is a direct reflection of what we believe secretly, even to ourselves. And it's good to uncover these beliefs and to let them go because they're not true. They're not based on any kind of truth. All right? I'll see you all soon. Bye now.